Pop Tom here. Hope you have a good day. Um, Question for you. Since when did it become okay for pedestrians to walk right in front of or behind a car without first making sure that that driver sees you or at least is at a safe distance so that if something happens, they can get stopped? Last few days, I've seen so many incidences where people just walk right in front of vehicles, not in proper crosswalks, but even then, I was always taught even if you have the right of way, you should still get eye contact of the drivers so that they can make you can make sure that they see you because sometimes just because of angles and stuff, you're not always seen. But I'm seeing it in parking lots. Yesterday, I saw a lady walk right behind a car that was obviously backing up. Um, and as those of you that are drivers know, it's awful hard to see somebody right behind you. This lady didn't flinch. She just walked right behind that vehicle, didn't acknowledge anything, didn't give a wide gap, nothing. Uh, if that vehicle would have sped up just a little bit for whatever reason, that lady most likely could have got hit. Today I saw a gentleman walk across the green right away. So the highway had green light, and he crossed against the light, which is not safe. It wasn't in a crosswalk again, but even then, if it was a crosswalk, he's still going against against traffic. I've seen kids and adults with their phone walk right off of the curb, right in front of vehicles, both in crosswalks and in between intersections. Um, you should always stop and look, even in an intersection. If somebody's coming at a high rate of speed and you step right out there, they may not be able to get stopped fast enough. It's EMT for quite a few years, and I saw so many people hit and injured, and unfortunately, a few killed. And are we not teaching this to people anymore? These common sense safety. What's been your experiences? What are some examples of seeing things that you have seen? Another one is what's the hurry in parking lots? People just seem to be flying down the parking lots and down the lanes and stuff. Somebody steps behind a car or a kid comes running out behind a car, there's no way you're going to get stopped. You think you can stop on a dime, it doesn't work that way. Studies have shown that from the time you see the whatever the obstacle is to the time you come to a stop can be anywhere from 1.5 to 2 seconds. Well, if you're going 10 kilometers or 10 mile an hour, whatever it is you're going, that's going to be a faster rate than if you're going 20 or 30 kilometers or 20 or 30 mile an hour. That distance is actually going to more than double. So let's think things out a little bit, folks. Life isn't, you're not in that big a hurry. Life's not that important. If it takes you an extra 5 or 10 seconds to get out of the parking lot or to find a parking space, so be it. Let's make sure everybody goes home safe. What are your thoughts? Where have you been at on these kind of things? Give me some examples below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You have a great day. Remember, you are loved and God loves you. Take care and have an amazing rest of the week.